Gardeners swear a potato can double your rose blooms. I didn't believe it until I tested it myself. And what happened next might change the way you grow roses forever. I've been growing roses for years, and I've tried countless tricks. Some work, some don't. But this viral potato hack caught my attention. Could a simple potato really give roses a boost? To find out, I ran a careful experiment. I buried a fresh potato right beside one rose plant's roots, while the other plant got nothing. Everything else was identical. Soil, water, sunlight, even fertilizer. I wanted to know, was the potato really the secret? At first, nothing seemed different. Both roses looked the same. I almost thought this was another myth. But by the end of week 2, subtle changes started appearing. The potato plant's leaves were greener, slightly stronger. Its buds were already looking more promising. By week 3, the difference became clear. The potato plant was producing more buds, its leaves looked healthier, and the buds seemed to grow faster. The control plant. Still healthy, but not nearly as vibrant. Could a potato really be this powerful? Why does this happen? Potatoes contain natural sugars and nutrients like potassium and phosphorus. These slowly seep into the soil and feed the plant roots, acting like a hidden slow-release fertilizer. A simple potato quietly boosts the plant's energy underground. After 6 weeks, the difference was undeniable. The potato plant had more than twice the blooms, bigger flowers, and deeper green leaves. The control rose was still beautiful, but it didn't stand out like the potato-powered plant. And honestly, I couldn't believe how dramatic the change was. But here's the thing. When I dug up the potato at the end of the experiment, I noticed something completely unexpected hidden beneath the soil. I'll reveal it in my next video, and it might make you rethink everything about gardening hacks. So yes, a potato can really help your roses thrive, but care and consistency still matter. If you want to see more surprising experiments and simple gardening hacks that actually work, subscribe to Guide to Green Thumb and hit the bell. And if you try this hack yourself, comment below and let me know what happens.